Welcome back. Now, typically in any affiliate network, you're going to have product settings, and then it'll be the case that the system will know where the individual needs to be sent once they make a purchase. What we're now going to have to do is we're going to have to make sure that this code, which is the buy button code, in each case is going to be added to the correct page or the page that we have set up here inside of our system. And it's that code that will make sure that when the individual makes the purchase, they are then going to be sent to the page where we want them to be sent. In Warrior Plus, this is going to be specific HTML code that we can then copy and place on our page. Warrior Plus does have customization that you can do with the button, but basically you want to make sure that this code is then placed on the page that you have designated inside of your product. So in this case, we're going to copy that code. We're going to head to the page that we set up. And we're just going to go inside of a custom HTML code area, and we're going to put the code there, and we're going to add it to the page that we're going to be using. We'll then see the buy button based on how we set it up in our product. We then want to do that for every page here inside of the offer. So now what we've done is we basically made it so that when the individual makes a purchase, they click on the buy button that we have set up, they will automatically be sent to the page that we fed to the system with the buy button that we just placed on the page. Now the issue is going to be how will the individual get to the downsell page if they choose not to buy this offer inside the funnel that we have set up. We will go over that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.